I was here yesterday, and yesterday I forgot my jacket because I was doing this talk, right? And then I have my jacket hanging here, and then when I finished, I just took my bag. I forgot my jacket, and I'm already all over just to get the ferry. And this waitress, she chased me all the way there, look for me, and then hand me the jacket. That's like how kind Japanese are, you know. I have my keys there, and I have my other wallet there. So luckily, it's not, my passport's not there, and there's some money there. So it's really, I just really wanna thank them. That's why I came here today as well, and to also have the coffee, which is like amazing, is the best. But the one that working yesterday, she's not here. So anyway, if you're gonna watch this video, or if ever, I just wanna say thank you. Yeah, and you guys have the best coffee in Miyajima Gucci. This, I will live here just for this coffee.